In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the motion brush in Kling AI. First, open the Kling AI website in your browser, log into your account, and make sure your subscription is active. The motion brush is a subscriber feature, so you'll need an active plan to access it. On the main page, click Generate, then choose Video Generation to start a new video project. Next, add an image. You can upload a new file, or if you've used Kling AI before, click History to browse previous uploads. Select the image you want and confirm to bring it onto the canvas. Before painting motion, switch the model version. Open the version menu, which may default to Video 3.0, and change it to Video 1.5. This is important because the motion brush is only available in Video 1.5. Now find the motion brush and click the plus icon to add a motion layer. Open the auto segmentation panel and enable it. With auto segmentation turned on, Kling AI helps detect clean boundaries around your subject, which saves time and typically improves edge quality. Choose area mode next. With area active, hover and click or brush over the object you want to move. This could be a person, an animal, or a specific prop. Take a moment to be precise here. Tight coverage over the subject produces cleaner, more believable movement. If the highlighted area spills onto the background, refine your selection until it closely follows the contours of the object. Switch to paths. In Paths mode, draw a simple line that indicates the direction you want the selected object to move. Short, smooth strokes usually look more natural than long, jagged ones. Think of this path as a motion guide rather than a literal trace of every frame. Aim for clarity and intention, a gentle curve for a drift, a short straight line for a subtle nudge. Click. Confirm to lock in your motion instructions. Now type your prompt to describe the overall video. Mention the scene, mood, lighting, or camera feel you're after. Keep it concise but specific. The prompt shapes the generation around the motion you've defined. When everything looks right, click Proceed to generate. Kling AI will animate only the area you selected, following the path you drew, while the rest of the image remains stable. If the output needs refinement, return to the motion brush, adjust the area or the path, confirm again, and regenerate until it matches your vision. That's the complete workflow. Start a video project, load your image, switch to Video 1.5, add and configure the motion brush with auto segmentation, select your area, draw a path, confirm, prompt, and generate. Follow these steps and you'll create precise, controlled animations from still images in minutes.